Let's solve this equation together. It says p raised to the power 4 over 3 times p raised to the power 1 over x is equal to 1. Okay, so solution, okay, we have p raised to the power 4 over 3 multiplied by p raised to the power 1 over x to be equal to 1. Now, recall from the law of indices, the law of multiplication. So if we have the same base and we have a raised to the power m, for example, times a raised to the power n, for example. So this becomes equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Okay, hence this means that from here we are going to have p raised to the power 4 over 3 plus 1 over x to be equal to 1. Alright, now from here we have p raised to the power, LCM is 3x. We have 3x into 3 to be x. X times 4 is 4x plus 3x into x is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. And this is equal to 1. Now, from law of indices, we have the zero law, the law of zero index, which says that p or a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So you can replace this one now with p raised to the power 0. Okay? So you have equal bases. And when you have equal bases, you simply equate the powers. Okay? So the bases are equal, it means that the powers are equal. So we're simply going to have from here, we're going to have 4x plus 3 all over 3x to be equal to 0. Cross multiplying, we have 3x times 0 to be equal to 4x plus 3 all multiplied by 1. Okay, 3x times 0 is 0 to be equal to 4x times 1 is 4x, 3 times 1 is 3. So we have from here that 4x is equal to negative 3, hence x is equal to negative 3 over 4.